And good morning, guys. I remain Ubatosi Adeyanju. I'm recording my analysis for gold for today, 13th of January 2026. And looking at the economic calendar, you can see that there is a core high impact news for today, which is the Consumers Price Index. We have the core CPI month-on-month, the CPI month-on-month, and the CPI year-on-year. And mostly for the year-on-year, we are expecting it to remain the same. For the month-on-month, we are expecting it to remain the same. But for the core CPI, we are expecting an increase from 0.2 to 0.3 just by a not one increment. And one thing I believe is that the last time we did expect it to stabilize, it dropped. And we are expecting a stabilization today. And that is, I believe we might actually get a surprise in the CPI numbers. And I'll show you in one moment on the chart why I do believe that. So that is their impact news for today. We also have other relatively important news like the ADP weekly employment change, which is tentative. I don't like that so much. And we have the new home sales numbers as well released today. And we have a couple of people speaking. Just be on the lookout for that. But mostly those will be in the New York session. I said the tentative one. We don't know when it will be released. So very quickly to the chart. Gold has been in a range, and if we look at it, we have been trading mostly inside the initial balance for the day. The first trading candle for the day, that is the 30-minute. I'll just assume and use that as the initial balance in this case. There are so many theories behind that, but we have been trading mostly between the range of the first 30-minute candle, and we are falling below the weekly anchored VWAP and also the days anchored VWAP. So the consolidation is actually looking like it's going to break to the downside. And in terms of where to look for support, I don't want to draw resistance for gold right now. I'm not a fan of drawing resistance for gold. I don't want to short it. I don't short it right now. I'm only going to look for longs. And in terms of where to look for a bounce, we'll see that there's a single print here. And I'll show you in one moment in our task right now. So if we look at this is the market profile, the TPU plotted against the volume profile. And it is free on ATAS just with a 15 minutes delay, as you can see here. So you can just check data and use this in your trade planning as well. So we see that there's a single print here between this level. So this white box is a simplified single print. It means a place where price only traded once, and we did have an acceptance above. The price did not come back there the prior day, and this single print is coincidental with this area here, which is the level between 45.45 and 45.62. So if we do have a come down to this level, please, I'm not stating that the market has to come and repair the single print. There are cases in the past, if we look at the TPO chart, where the market does not come back and repair single print. It is possible that we will not have a repair of the single print before we start going back above. But should in case we reach this place, I'm expecting to see at least some support or some demand for price. So you can mark out this level on your chart as well. And so that is the trade idea for today. A buy is still a buy on gold. I actually know how to trade around this. I actually have a playbook right now for trading around the weekly anchored VWAP and the day anchored VWAP when they are together like this from I believe last week or 2 weeks ago. So I'm going to look to deploy that today, should in case we don't come back and retest in this single print zone. And in terms of execution, I did execute once yesterday. I have been busy a lot this time. I don't have time to execute. But that
incoming mail.
Let's just close this trade history. I did execute once around this area, but it was a quick trade. And you know me, I like to enter with a scalp position and exit very quickly. So I entered, the market went in my favor and it started dropping. It was during the close of this candle that I entered after this liquidation move. So I saw this liquidation. I knew we were most likely going to buy back. When we started buying, I tried to enter, anticipating that will not form a long wick candle with the next candle. But then, even before this 30 minutes candle closed, I was stopped out. and I did not execute again yesterday. But today, I'm going to look to execute even before CPI. You can try backtesting CPI and get an idea of why I will be doing that. So that is the trade idea for today, a long and good, should in case you reach this level. If you don't reach this level, if you know how to, you can look for a long around the weekly anchor view appear as well, or look for a bounce if you know how to trade bounce around recession low. If you can do something like this now, this is the right one. So I'll create a swing low around here. There's a model that I have for this as well. So if you know how to trade this model, mostly a double rejection and then a continuation with a flip. That would be one model. A model will be around the high. Maybe one day I'll have time to teach my model, but not right now. I am still a student of the market. Let me explain this to you right. I'm a student of the market and I am still a beginner. I'm not a professional yet. So with that said, I will see you guys in the afternoon. Good luck and good trade. I might try to even set up the streaming, but I'm not sure for now. If I'm able to set it up, maybe I'll try trading news online or even try recording some of my trades when I'm in them so that I can see how I execute them. With that said, I wish you guys good luck and good trade. See you guys later. Bye for now.